Hey y'all, and welcome back to another video of As Always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. Now, the most asked question that I always get is how do I take care or maintain my rod set throughout the week? So you're in luck, friend. In this video, we are going to be going over the entire week for a rod set. Now these are perm rods that I have in my hair and we're about to take them down, so it's going to be considered, I guess, day one. It is nighttime and I'm not going anywhere, but I do want to sleep comfortably tonight, so I am going to be taking these down on camera with you guys, and I'm going to show you every day for the next 5 days how I maintain and take care of my rods throughout the week. So you guys are definitely going to want to stay tuned. If you are somebody who does rod sets and can't manage to get them past day 3 or 4, or if you are somebody who wants to do rod sets and just learn. Alright guys, so strap in and let's go. So like I said, the first thing that we're going to do is actually take down our rollers. Here they are right here. And I'm going to go ahead and start in the back. Alright y'all, so I already went ahead and started taking out some in the back because you can't see back there anyways. And here's how I'm taking them out. I'm just unsnapping my roller and then I'm going to unwind in the opposite direction until it comes completely out. I do keep my rollers in a bag, so I'm just gonna put the roller right back in. I ain't playing no games up in here. And then I'm gonna take the roller or the hair, and you can see how the clump looks, all nice, pretty, curly. It's very, very springy. And then I'm just gonna take my time unwinding the curl. I don't have any oil, so I'm just gonna wrap it around my hand, and that's gonna kind of, if there are any flyaways, they should be wrapping back into the curl just like that. You can see how pretty that looks. That looks really, really pretty. A lot of people actually don't like to do rod sets because some people say they take too long, or they're too hard to maintenance, or it takes too long to dry. There's a lot of reasons why. I actually have a book if you guys want to check it out. It's an ebook on the different types of rod and roller sets and the easiest way to install, take down, and maintain them throughout the week. I don't just talk about perm rods, but I talk about flexi rods, loop rods, flex grip rollers, spoolies, magic hair rollers, all types of rollers in my ebook. So if you guys want to check it out, I will definitely link it below for you. So pretty, so bouncy. I only used a mousse, by the way. I'll show you guys what I use because I know you're gonna ask. It's the Care. Oh, it's a foam wrap set lotion. And look how much I use. Not a lot at all for my whole head. They're good. If you guys have not tried Care yet, they're really good. But like I said, the important thing when you're taking down your perm rods is to just take your time. Don't pull too hard because you might create unnecessary frizz. So just take your time. And also you want to make sure that they are 100% dry. I did this hairstyle almost 24 hours ago. I sat under a hooded dryer. I slept in these rollers and I waited a few hours to take them down. So they are definitely 100% dry. Even though they might take a little long to dry, you'll have the curls all week long. So I don't understand why some people can complain about their hair, because when I style my hair, I don't touch it for like 5 days. So it's like I'm fine doing it once a week. And you know, comment below if you guys have ever slept in perm rods before and how was your experience. It's not that fun sleeping in perm rods. Hey y'all, alright, so I'm back and everything is taken down and looking so cute, y'all. Got myself a little afro going on here with my perm rods, but I love it because if I want to do a side part, which I will be doing like throughout the week, I definitely can do so. So if I want to do like a little cute side part, I definitely can. If I want to flip it over to the other side, I'm sure I can definitely do so. I just have to kind of like play with the curls. I don't want to play with it too much because I just want it in my face for right now. Full, luscious, and beautiful. Like I said, if anything messes up, I just kind of wrap it around itself, hoping to make it look pretty again. Alright, so this is how the curls are looking. Like I said, it's like 8-9 o'clock at night. I ain't going nowhere. If you want to call this day one, that's fine. If you want to call it tomorrow, I guess tomorrow would be day one hair, because I'm literally about to put this bonnet on and lay down. So tomorrow will be day one. I just wanted to show you guys how I take it out. We are starting on a fresh set of curls. I'm going to be taking you guys with me throughout this entire week, days 1 through 5, and also today, to show you guys how I maintain my curls. So how I put my hair in a bonnet, I'm actually going to stand up. All I'm going to do is just flip my head over like this, and then I'm going to put the bonnet on back to front, making sure all my curls are in there. And then my curls are like literally resting up here. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Curls is up there. My curls are going like this all night, so when I take it back, I feel like it'll just be defying gravity. Let me go ahead and go, y'all. I'm about tired now. Little like 9:10 o'clock. I'm about tired, so I'm about to go ahead and lay down, and I will see you guys tomorrow. Deuces. Hey, y'all. So it is the end of day 1. I actually didn't go anywhere today. I just kind of made it a house day, and I did a bunch of editing. So I am gonna go ahead and put my hair up back into this bonnet. I didn't refresh. I didn't, like I said, I didn't go anywhere, so we just been looking like this all day. I did have a little dance session earlier today. Like, I had my Beats headphones on. I was just jamming out, and before you know it, I started sweating. So I guess you can say that's a little bit of activity for the day. But other than that, this is how we are looking. I'm not doing anything to my curls. It's the end of day 1. That's it. Put the bonnet on just how we've been doing. Just like this. Make sure all the curls are facing up like we want, so when we take it off in the morning, we can shake it out and it'll look really good. So, but all right, y'all, that's the end of day 1. Hair is looking good, and I will see you tomorrow. Hey, y'all. All right, so it's like day 4. I don't know where we left off. My bad. I went to my boyfriend's house, forgot to pick up the camera, friend. So here we are. We are actually outside of a store right now. I want to run inside and grab some herbs because I'm going to be making I guess a tea mixture, you can say, for you guys. I'm going to show you guys what I'm doing to protect my scalp during the week while I have my perm rod set in. And now it's day 4. Once we get home under better lighting, maybe you guys can see how it looks, but the curls definitely did drop, as you can see, friend. So that's how we're looking. Let's go ahead into the store. I'm going to show you what herbs I'm grabbing for this mixture for my scalp. All right, I'm not sure if you guys can see my hair any better, but the lighting should be good. We're outside now, right outside of the store that I want to show you guys. Okay, so I've been coming here for a little bit, maybe like a year. I found out about this place. So let's go inside and I will show you guys what I'm getting. I thought it was closed for a second. Ciao. Hi, how are you?
What they gon' say? On the clock all week, baby, we can celebrate. Stuck in meetings, elevators, now it's time we elevate. While your co-workers tripping, better play with something safe. Saw me do this happy hour, put a smile up on your face. Wine and dine, got a ticket from the toll, but you fine. In the way that you killing every angle is a crime. Never play the mind games, make it known that you mine. If they tryna read the room, this is more than the vibe. Go girl, I like it's your birthday. All night you'll be calling out your workplace. Now go off.
Alright, so let me show you guys what I got. This is moringa seed. I also got slippery elm. I'm gonna grab sweet basil. I have Irish moss. This is so important. And last but not least, I have fenugreek seeds. So we're gonna go ahead and ring all of these up, and hopefully it's like less than 20 bucks.
I like it's your birthday. Now go off, live your life. What they gon' say? Go girl. I like it's your birthday. All night of your.
Alright, I came home to some packages, so let's see what I got. I don't think these are PR, because I know I ordered some stuff for like Black Friday. I open stuff with a knife. It's so much easier than scissors. You see that? Knife. Okay, this is a jacket. So TikTok always reaches out to me, like sellers on TikTok, and they like, can you, we'll send you this and can you demo it? And sometimes I agree, so most times I don't though, because I really look for paid brand deals. But I needed a winter coat, so they sent me 2. This is the second one. The first one's already upstairs. See what this is. I don't know. I'll be trying to look at who sent it to like figure out what it is. Like, girl, if you don't just open a package. Oh, y'all, I ordered some Uggs. Now, it's been going around on TikTok that apparently Uggs like sold their company or something. and it's not the same UGG anymore. And I didn't know that until after I purchased these Uggs, so let me try these on. Oh, here's how they look. They're cute. They just say UGG on them. Y'all don't even want to know what size I wear. I got big feet. Oh, they fit really comfortably. Let me try the other one on. Yeah, they're cute. I like them. I can feel a difference. I don't know if it's just because these are brand new, but it's like a little hard on the sole. And I know people said like they changed brands or something. I don't know, or they changed companies. But these are on sale for Black Friday, so I got them. I don't know how much I paid. So I purchased another light because the one that I have broke. I think these are so flimsy. This is the light I purchased. It's kind of going around. Pretty popular light. Mine broke. You can like clip it and clamp it onto things. Also got some melatonin because baby, I need my rest. Be feeling like Christmas when I'm opening up these packages. These are the batteries to my lights. Y'all, these were hella expensive. I ordered batteries for my lights, so I don't have to keep plugging them in. This is how they look. Just some batteries, big batteries. I don't even know if these are the right ones. We about to go find out because they were expensive. So let me go clean up and then I will start with the concoction for my hair. I also ran to another store and I got aloe vera as well. I was looking for rosemary, like the actual rosemary, not the one that's like already chopped up and stuff. So I couldn't find it. So all right, let me go clean up and then we'll get to getting. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. I'm going to first add my mixing bowl to the table, and each ingredient will be getting 1 teaspoon to make it fair. Now, we're first starting off with fenugreek seeds, which boosts blood circulation, reduces dandruff, and hair thinning. Next up is sea moss, which contains 92 minerals that's vital for the body and hair. We'll also be using nettle leaves, which is rich in sulfur and silica. And slippery elm is rich in calcium, which is vital for strong hair. The amino acids in slippery elm encourage blood circulation to the scalp. Basil leaves help prevent hair loss. And of course, moringa seeds also boost hair growth. And cloves contain fibers that help nourish the hair follicle. I have some leftover hibiscus, so I'm going to add that in, and that's actually a flower. And next up, we're going to go ahead and prep our aloe vera. Now, aloe vera contains active minerals that help strengthen the hair. It also fights against itchy scalp and promotes hair growth as well. So I'm just breaking down my aloe vera by first chopping off the pointy ends, and now we're going to break it off and not use that white part at the end. I think that's poisonous, and we're going to split it open in the middle so we can get to the good stuff, which is all the goo. Now that everything is prepped, let's go ahead and get started with cooking our ingredients. I'm just adding water to a pan here, and then I'm going to go ahead and stir in all of my herbs together and add that into the mixture. And peeped how I did turn off the heat before I added anything in. I don't want to cook the ingredients. I just want them to steep in boiling water. This mixture is going to sit on the stove for about 5 hours or so, just letting all the ingredients intertwine with each other and letting that aloe vera really seep out of the plant itself. So this is how it looks about after 5 hours, but you can really let it sit up to 24 hours, but we got to get this show on the road. So this is how it's looking. Look at that aloe vera. It's all like in there, and we're ready to go ahead and strain it. So I just have a mason jar and a strainer. I was so scared, y'all, but I think I did pretty good. I didn't spill too much, and it is full. The mason jar is completely full. Now we're going to go ahead and filter it out into our spray bottles. The first one is a continuous spray bottle, and the second one is just a regular squirts bottle, I guess you want to call it. But that is exactly how you make my crazy herbal hair growth spray. And let's go ahead and put this on our hair. Now, I do want to say that I'm only directing it on my scalp. Again, I have perm rods in, and I don't want any water-based products on my hair or my curls will revert. I also leave this in my fridge for up to 2 weeks, and then after that I can make a new batch, and I do this about every other day. All right, so I just did this side of my hair. It took me less than 3 minutes to do this entire side. I just went in, divided, and sprayed my scalp all the way through. I am going to go ahead and do this side next. I don't know. I want to do a video where I show you guys different styles to like style your perm rod set. I might do that tomorrow before I wash it out. Because the curls are cute, but my scalp is telling me it's time to wash. So I have to listen to my scalp and not my curls. Alright, so let me clip this up and out the way and get to the other side. I'll be right back, y'all. Hey, y'all. I don't want nothing. I just did a really cute hairstyle, and I just wanted to show you guys how it looks on me. A little sum up action with a little curly bang, friend. That's all we don't. That's all we don't. And they always love to wrap around each other. But it looks so cute. Hey, y'all. Y'all, I got a package. Did I tell you guys that I was purchasing a hair steamer? Girl, I went and got one. And it's wash day, and I get to use my hair steamer, and I'm so excited. I'm gonna record it on TikTok and Instagram. I'm not gonna make like a whole YouTube video about it. Okay, so yeah, y'all, it's the end of the road. We are officially, and it looks so cute, but my scalp is telling me it's time. Yeah, so we're at the end of the road. Although we come to the end of the road. Yeah, so say goodbye to these curls. Because it's over. They look so good. Like, I really could go another week with these curls, but I'm not going to do that because I want to wash my hair, do another hairstyle, and get my scalp clean and use my hair steamer. The main thing that I did to upkeep my curls for the week is what did I do? I wore a bonnet every night. Every night I flipped my head over, did the whole thing that I like to do, how I like to go to sleep with my bonnet in. I did it, friend, every single night, and that's why my curls are not, like, they're frizzy, but they're not really that bad. Like, I can go another week if I wanted to, but I want to wash my hair and my scalp. So, friend, that is the end of the video. You guys got to see me every day what I do to upkeep my curls throughout the week, and I know that's a huge question, how to maintain your curls, how to upkeep your curls, and I just did it for you. So hopefully this video helped. Again, my journey is being a little bit different because I am steering away from the oils and the butters. Normally I would put oil on my scalp throughout the week to moisturize it midweek, but I am not doing that. Instead, I reached for a water-based product that had herbs and aloe vera in it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching that too. Make sure you guys check out some of my other content as well. I do all things natural and curly hair, so make sure you guys are subscribed and locked in with your girl. Alright guys, I am out of here. My name is Aaliyah. This is as always Aaliyah, where we always keep it real. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Deuces.
I like it's your